Is your computer frequently starting and stopping on its own? This can be a perplexing and frustrating problem, but don't worry, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Power off and unplug your computer. This ensures safety during the troubleshooting process. The second step involves safety measures. Before handling any internal components, discharge any static electricity from your body by touching a grounded metal surface. This is crucial to prevent damage to sensitive computer parts. Moving on to the third step, remove all RAM modules from their slots on the motherboard. If available, use an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static electricity discharge. Next, gently clean the gold contacts on the RAM modules using an eraser. This is an important step as it helps remove any accumulated dirt or oxidation that may interfere with proper connections. The fifth step involves the CMOS battery. Locate it on the motherboard and carefully remove it. Allow it to sit outside for a few minutes to reset the BIOS settings. Afterward, reinsert the battery. The sixth step requires you to clean the motherboard. Using a soft brush, carefully clean the motherboard, paying special attention to areas with visible dust or debris. It's important to ensure all components are free from foreign particles. Once done, it's time to reassemble the components. Reinstall the RAM modules into their respective slots, making sure they are securely seated. Reconnect all cables, ensuring a snug fit. Double-check that everything is properly reassembled. Now plug in your computer, turn on the power, and attempt to start the system. Observe if the frequent start-stop issue persists. If the problem persists, it may be related to the power supply. Consider replacing the power supply unit, PSU, with a known good unit to see if the issue resolves. If the computer continues to exhibit erratic behavior, replacing the power supply unit with a known working one can help rule out power-related issues. If all else fails, it's advisable to seek professional assistance. A qualified technician can perform more in-depth diagnostics and identify any hardware failures that may require replacement. Remember, patience and caution are key throughout this process. Seek professional help if you're unsure about any steps. I hope this guide proves helpful in resolving the issue with your computer's erratic behavior. That's all for now. This is Samrat, signing off. Now that we've gone through the detailed steps of troubleshooting the computer's start-stop issue, let's look at some final steps. But before we dive in, here's a quick reminder. If you've found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, share it with friends who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips. Your support helps us create more content and reach more people. Now let's get back to the final steps. After you've tried replacing the power supply unit and the issue still persists, one last thing you can try is to inspect your computer's hard drive. It's possible that the hard drive could be causing the start-stop issue. To do this, turn off your computer and disconnect the power cord. Open the computer case and locate the hard drive. Disconnect it and then reconnect it, making sure the connections are secure. If you're comfortable doing so, you can also try connecting the hard drive to another computer to see if the problem persists. If the hard drive works fine on another computer, then the issue may lie elsewhere in your original computer. If the hard drive causes the same issue on a different computer, then the hard drive may need to be replaced. Remember, if at any point you're unsure about these steps, it's best to consult with a professional. That's it for the final steps. If you've followed along and the issue still persists, it might be time to consult a professional or consider a hardware upgrade. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more troubleshooting guides. This is Samrat, signing off.